So I have my transfer tape here, and you just want to cut it a little larger than the space that you're covering. And why use transfer tape, you ask? Well, because I want all my lettering to come out just how I have it cut there on the map. So I'm going to go ahead, put that across there, and then I'm going to burnish it really smoothly. And what burnishing does is it helps the letter stick to the tacky side of the transfer tape. And when I'm dealing with little tiny thin lettering like this, I have found that the back of this pick just works really, really well to help it stick. Once I've got it down, I'm going to gently lift it up, just like so. See how those dots come up on the transfer tape? Everything's perfectly in place. Voila! Okay, even get rid of that. And next, we are going to go ahead and try to position this so that my dots and things are not on my thread. And then again, I'm just going to go ahead and burnish it. And you might wonder, why did I use vinyl instead of cardstock? I actually like putting vinyl on paper. You don't have to burnish it quite as hard because it sticks so easily. But then when I have a letter that's so tiny like this, I don't have to try to put the adhesive on the back of the letter. So some of these were lifting just a little bit, so I was just going back and rubbing them again. Because I tried not to rub too hard because I didn't want to pull my glitter off of my scissors. And you might notice that my dots are a little bit crooked on here. I did that on purpose, just because I wanted it to be a little more funky. So there we go. There's my whole completed part. All I have left to do now is glue it to my wood, and we'll be all done. Okay. So here's our finished product. I have my glittered scissors and my hand-colored thread and my vinyl letters all on my wood base with the distress stain. So it's kind of fun to see how many different things can go together. I forgot to tell you that the font that I used from the Eclipse machine was the Bang, Zoom, and Yarn. It's kind of a fun little crazy one. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing the steps of it, and we'll see you next time.